Hello and welcome everyone. This is Aditi Gupta Peter and you're watching here for the first time. There is something productive for this new session. Hope everyone is aware about the current situation all over the world of lockdown due to hazardous pandemic of coronavirus COVID-19. So I believe that you people are staying safe at home with full precautionary measures like washing and sanitizing hands at appropriate interval, following social distancing, avoiding touching unnecessarily your face, and most importantly, staying aware and staying updated. As you people can't come out, so here we came up with the idea to reach to you people via this.
I know you must be aware about our green friends, of course, our plants. But would you believe that some of the plants are not only magical but powerful as well? If we go deep down in its history, then we will discover many interesting facts and secrets about such plants. So here we are going to discuss about 10 most interesting facts about a few plants. So let's discuss one by one here. So our first plant is water resistant, termite resistant, and resistant for other pests. That's why it is known for its durability, and the wood is so light. That's why it is used for making passengers compartment in aircrafts, boats, building yachts, furniture, frames, and many more. And the best wood we can find it in the age of 40 to 80 years. When the plants grow up to the age of 40 to 80 years, then we will find the best wood of this plant. This plant is known as teak. So your first plant is teak. Our next plant is most beautiful tree in the Europe, and it is also famous as a sacred tree or a holy tree, that because it is once worshipped by Vikings, because it was worshipped by Vikings once. That's why it is known as sacred tree, and it is used for the production of basketball, hockey sticks, tennis rackets, and sometimes also used in the formation of music instruments like electric guitar and drums as well. Okay, so this plant is ash tree. Our next plant is basil, which means kingly in Greek, because it is highly valued in Mediterranean due to its strong flavor. Each type of basil, different types of basil, we are having variety of basils that have unique aroma. Aroma means sweet smell. Like we have sweet taste in clove basil, lemon taste in lemon basil, cinnamon in cinnamon basil. So we are having variety of basils, and it is generally used in the treatment of stomach cramps, constipations, anxiety, and depression. It also repels insects and mosquito. That's why we use it for such purpose also. Our next tree is known for its height because it reaches from 33 to 200 feet long, and it gives us botany bacino. It is a resin which is used for protection of the ships against bomb, and its flowers are so colorful, which can exist in white, yellow, pink, or sometimes red in color also. That's why it is known as a gum tree also, because it secretes some sticky rubbery substance from its tree, from its wood. So that's why it is known as gum tree, and the fruit is known as gum nut. Okay, so and that's why it is used for the manufacture of dye. We call that plant eucalyptus, that we are having eucalyptus tree. Our next tree is from China, which is the world's oldest living seed plant, and its leaf is in the shape of iconic fan. It looks like a fan shape. That's why it is an iconic tree. It is having an iconic leaves which is of fan shaped, and that is the top selling herbal medicine which helps in improving memory and learning. And we call this tree as Ginkgo biloba. And we are having next very colorful foxglove, which produces purple pink color flowers in it, and which generally blooms in the time of June to September. That plant is generally used for the curing of our heart. That's why it is known as a heart drug as well. We form heart drug from this plant, but it is simultaneously it is highly poisonous as well if we consume it in a large amount. So it should be advised to take it in a prescribed way from the doctor. Our next plant is Sakaki, that is also a sacred plant to Japanese Shinto religion. It is used as a holy plant in Japan, and where they used it in decorating their sacred place, holy places, and sites of festivals. And even the entire uprooted tree appears in the procession. Means they appears in group. You can see in picture as well that how this exists in a group. Now we have next, which is a carnivorous plants. You must be aware about all the carnivorous plants. In your previous classes you have learned like Venus flytrap, pitcher plant. Similarly, this bladderwort is also a carnivorous plant. Carnivorous means they trap various insects for their food. So here bladderworts also do the same. Its leaf is also known as a bladders, which appears like a air sac. It's look like a air sac, and which also helps plants in floating on the water. You can see in the picture that these sacs also, these air sac that helps the plants to float in the water. And these bladders are also work as a tiny traps. These bladder catches the insects or flies or worms in the whole water and traps it in these bladders. So this is our bladderwort. Now next we all know chiku. We all love chiku, and chiku is actually a sapota. Sapota is a Central American tree which is famous as a chiku in northern India and Pakistan. So this fruit is known as chiku. The fruit of this plant is known as
tall
chiku,
with an average
sapota
trunk
plant,
diameter of
and this is famous
1.5 meters.
in northern America.
It is wind resistant
northern
and
India
its
and
bark
Pakistan
is
as
rich in white gummy.
It is also famous for its natural gum, which is known as chicle. This chicle is used for making chewing gums. So that's a natural gum which we use in a main ingredient of chewing gums. Now our last and very colorful, beautiful plant is sugar maple. The leaf of this plant is the Canada's national symbol. You must find it on the map, on the flag of that Canada also. And these leaves can change its color from green to different shades. You can see in the picture that is not green in color. It can be find it in the shades of yellow, orange, or might be sometimes in red color. And the flower of these plants are also very small, but that found in very large number. So the last plant is sugar maple.
So that's all for now. We will continue further in our next video. Till then, watch it thoroughly, stay tuned and stay safe.